Now, a lot of drama is unfolding in the national capital after Minister of State for External Affairs VK Singh expressed outrage on Twitter for being asked to attend the Pakistan National Day on Indian government's behalf. Now, the BJP has sought explanation from the former army chief for his comments on Twitter. Meanwhile, following the uproar, Singh clarified that he has not tendered his resignation and also went on to say that his tweets were misinterpreted. The former army chief had quoted controversy with his duty and disgust tweets while attending the Pakistan National Day celebrations.
Attending the Pakistan Day celebrations at the Pakistan High Commission in Delhi is one such protocol that every Minister of State of External Affairs of the Union Government of India has followed in the past and will continue to do so in future. My tweet on definition of duty was clearly to tell all as to what it implies to a soldier and to a disciplined party. I stand in unison with my party in working for a better India. As I always say, nation comes first, always and every time.
Let's go across to Deputy Editor Smita Sharma, who joins us from New Delhi for more on this story. Morning, Smita. Has he been pulled up by his party?
Good morning, Sanket, and absolutely yes, there were those reports, sources suggesting that not just the party but of course by even the Foreign Minister Mrs. Sushma Swaraj, clearly on the Pakistan National Day event when he was supposed to represent the government of India, and when till an hour before the event began, the dinner began at 7 o'clock, when he kept on replying to journalists saying that I'm not sure as to who will go, it's not been conveyed to me if I should represent. Sources do tell us that in fact the Prime Minister's office had to intervene. So, but at the moment, remember, the government already on the back foot on several issues, including the land bill, of course. So for them, General VK Singh, for the moment, if he exits the ministry in any sort of a way, it will only provide more salvos to the opponents. But remember, as one of the national newspapers today says, that first he puts out those tweets and then updates the status saying, I'm loyal to the PM. And I'm reminded of the Ghalib's couplet Sanket, which says that, of course, bekhudi, besabab nahi Ghalib, kuch to hai jiski pardadari hai.
Absolutely. VK Singh finding himself in a very difficult situation at this moment, where he's trying to keep a straight face as he sends out that tweet and now is defending that tweet also on duty and disgust. Of course, being pulled up by the party, so now expressing that he's in tune or attuned with the party's decision-making process.